Okay, hello everyone. For today's video, I'm going to show you the tricks in multiplying numbers like 99, like 999 times any number. So for instance, we have 99 times 235. So the easiest way to find the product of 999 and 235 is subtract 235 by 1. So the answer is 234. These three digits here are your first three-digit answer. This is 234. Now, use this 234 to subtract 999. So subtract 999 by 234. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. And 9 minus 2 is 7. And bring this down here. 7, 6, 5. So the answer for the product of 999 and 235 is 234,765. Okay, let us have another example. Let's try 99. 99 times, let us say, 65. 99 times 65. So subtract 65 by 1. The answer is 64. So 64 is your first two digit of your answer. Now subtract 99 by this 64. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. So copy 35 and put it beside 64. So the answer is 6,435. Very easy.